Hi everyone, today I'll be raking a fortress padlock, but this padlock is a little thick. I just wanted to show you with my hands just how thick it is. My hands are actually pretty big for how big I am. Let me try to refocus this. Yeah, so anyways, as you can see, this thing could probably take a lot of damage, but let's see if we can actually pick it. Rake it, sorry. I'm gonna rake this open. And as you can see, it just came apart pretty easy. Let's do that again to show you that it wasn't a fluke. And the reason that I'm using my hands today instead of the vise that you saw earlier is because this lock is very, very big. You might not know it looking at this video, but it's pretty big. Not the biggest I've come across, but too big for the vise. See you next time. Bye-bye.